Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Versace sunglasses model VE4361 in color code 5360-87. The color of the frame is black, and these glasses are rectangular shape. The lenses are dark gray. The temples are black, and you'll find the Versace Medusa logo in matte black on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Versace logo that it's made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Versace Gift Box, a Versace case with a Versace logo in gold on the front of the case, and also on the inside of the case. A Versace booklet, a Versace cleaning cloth, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.